This is a look at 5Gstore's new One-Talk Whiteboard appointment calendar. I have already logged in as a rep at 5gstore.com/onetalk, and I've clicked on the new Whiteboard appointment tab. Let's say you're looking to schedule a One-Talk appointment with 5Gstore and you want to check availability. Pick the date of your appointment and click Find Available Times. The available appointment times will load up for that date, and you'll see how many call slots are available for that time. Let's say that we want to make an appointment with 5Gstore for between 3 and 4 o'clock Central. There's one call slot available. Let's go over into our calendar utility and make a new event. Our calendar utility accepts invites from Google Hangouts, WebEx, and GoToMeeting, so you can use whatever program works best for you. Give your calendar event a name that makes sense for you and your customer. For conferencing, select the method of choice. In this case, we're going to use Google Hangouts. And for a guest, we're going to invite onetalk@5gstore.com. This is where you'll want to send all of your invites for calendar events going forward. Enter in any other description information as applicable, hit save, and send out the calendar invite. As long as your calendar invite is for a time where there is an available call slot, within seconds you'll receive an acceptance for the invitation. This is as easy as it is to get 5Gstore on a call with you and your customer. Our whiteboarding appointment calendar works in real time as well, so if you go right back to that calendar and look for available times again, you'll notice that the call slot that was previously available is now taken up. Now, what happens if you need to change that calendar time after you've already sent an invitation? Instead of having to contact 5Gstore, simply go to your calendar and change the event and resend the invitation. Once again, as long as there is a slot available, you'll automatically receive a response to your invitation for the updated time. Because this all happens in real time, a quick check of the calendar for the same date and time will now show an available slot for 3 to 4, and now one slot available for 2 to 3 where it was previously booked before. The new 5Gstore appointment calendar is just one more way that we make One-Talk easier for you. For more information, visit us at 5gstore.com/onetalk or email at onetalk@5gstore.com. Thank you.